Okay, so here are the new valve stems installed. As you can see, the old diverter handle here is a little long, and it's just, your hand gets in the way of these wings, or I don't know what these are called here, but this single handle stem just kind of, that's the shower side and that's the tub spout side. It's just a little close to here. I think it would be better if I had all three of this style. This one, obviously, I took the screw out. Oh, and on that note, the screw for this does not fit the screw for this, which is like that, okay, which fits just fine into here, into these stems. I'm not going to screw it. Trust me, it fits. It fits. It doesn't seem to fit the new diverter stem. So this, yeah, that's just not working. And the old handle screw from the old diverter stem also does not thread. Boy, I don't know. Doesn't seem right. I don't know, maybe it'll work now that I try it. I wonder if there was gunk in there. Now it seems to be working. Well, maybe that's one problem that's just corrected itself. That might be working. I don't know. That might be okay. Okay. So, still got the problem with this not matching this. That's as far as it goes. Doesn't go on. But just based on the length of this relative to how far these handles stick out, they kind of get in the way. I think having three of these four wing handles, or whatever these are called, or three of them, might be better. We can't use the same ones because it doesn't fit either on the splines for the diverter. But there's a lot of aftermarket stuff, or even primary market stuff, like for Delta and Moen and Kohler, that probably will fit this 17-point spline. That's it.